Good morning friends. How are you friends? Firstly, I request to you please subscribe my channel and share my all videos with your friends and family. Today I will tell you about online work. The number one is ask to work from home. Community to work every day is not just time consuming, it can be incredibly expensive. In fact, research from Citigroup found that commuting costs American an average of $26 a year. That works out to about $216 per month. A significant chunk of change. You could save it if you reduced or eliminated your commute time. Save on commuting by asking your boss if you can work remotely, either full-time or a few days per week. Skype, Slack, and other networking apps make remote collaboration easier than ever. And the Harvard Business Review reported that working from home can actually make employees more productive. Number two is work out at home. Satisfying fit is essential for maintaining your quality of life, and staying healthy can help you save money in the long run. Still, a gym membership can be pricey. Statistics Brain reported that the average health club membership cost $58 per month, and that number can jump to more than $100 if you live in a particular area like Australia and New York.